Okay, so we are going to do a quick clean on my car. We were on vacation for a week and as you can tell it got a little messy. So I'm gonna try and get everything wiped down. There's a lot of sand in my rugs or the floorboards, so I'm gonna try my best to vacuum that up. Here is a good look at what my child leaves in the back seat and how dirty she got the floors, along with her helping me with the windows. Told you guys there was a lot of sand in my car, but my house vacuum does a good job. I am now going to tackle this kitchen. I set out all the dishes that are still wet so they can air dry. The table my daughter mostly sits at, so as you can tell it's quite messy. So I'm going to clean that up, and then that ends the video for today. Thank you so much for watching.